in from the west. So this is forecast to bring in some more showers, maybe some thunderstorms, but thankfully the Storm Prediction Center has kind of backed off on our coverage here across East Tennessee, especially as we go into what will likely be our busiest day on Saturday. High pressure is going to slide to our southeast. Here comes our next cold front. Once our graphics continue to come together and catch up with each other, we have this frontal boundary that's going to push into the region as we go into your Friday, so Friday night and into your Saturday. This will bring in more rain as we head into the start of your Saturday. Scattered showers will start to taper off Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening, and Sunday looks like it should be relatively dry ahead of more rain arriving early next week. Some areas have the potential within the next 7 days to see up to 1 to 2 inches of rain. Some beautiful precipitation in the forecast. We're going to continue to highlight more rain moving into the region as we head into your Monday and into your Tuesday. As of right now, it's too far out to really go into detail as to whether or not this is forecast to be severe, but we'll continue to watch this for you. And then we go into your end of the week. And it looks really great, folks. We're going to continue to have more rain showers in the forecast, which is such a blessing. Temperatures will stay into the 70s and 80s, and we'll continue to see extreme drought conditions. As to be expected, we did not expect to see any improvements. Let's just put it that way. Clear skies in place this morning. We're still going to be relatively dry. The risk for severe weather is off to our west today. The risk for severe weather tomorrow is off to our west as well, where we do see that level 1 risk that does kind of it includes parts of Memphis, moving into maybe a little bit of some parts of Middle Tennessee, but it's actually shifted a little bit further to the west than what we originally had in place. And then we go into your Saturday, and Saturday is also looking to be relatively quiet, which is wonderful news considering Saturday is the day that we're going to see most of our active weather slide into the region. So we do have a cold front that's going to be pushing into the region. This cold front. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful start to your Thursday. As you head outside, we're going to continue to see temperatures into the lower 80s today and tomorrow. 70s stick around as we go into the weekend. We do have some rain showers that'll be possible perhaps late tomorrow night and as we go into the early hours of your Saturday. I'm not foreseeing a ton of rain on your Friday, which is some good news, but Saturday could be a little bit on the wetter side. We have a mostly clear sky that we're tracking at this moment. The risk for severe weather is primarily off to our west today. And if you look ahead to tomorrow, the National Weather Service, the Storm Prediction Center at one point did have a risk for severe weather that kind of included more of Middle Tennessee and even included parts of the plateau. But now that has since shifted off to the west. And then Saturday, the day that we're going to see most of our activity, we do not have a risk across our region. So that is some good news, knowing that this is primarily going to be just some solid rain, but no major concerns for severe weather. You can see this frontal boundary as it continues to slide into our region. It kind of weakens down just a little bit. Still has the chance of bringing in some awesome rain for your Saturday. Sunday will trend a little bit drier, and then into the early part of next week, we've got more rain in the forecast. In fact, some areas could see close to, within the next 7 days, 1 to 2 inches of beautiful, much needed rain, folks. It's going to be awesome. So fairly dry conditions carry on into your Sunday and Monday, Monday night and into your Tuesday. Here comes another system that's going to be sliding into the region. And then we'll continue to have the chance for even more rain throughout the middle part of next week. Your 7-day forecast shows temperatures staying into the 70s and 80s this week. More rain arrives into the weekend and into the early part of next week. We want to transition now and get you out on the road.